first recipe we're going to do is the octopus salad. So we're going to take our parsley or cilantro or whatever you can get your hands on, chop it up, and we put that in bowl. And next we're going to cut some garlic up. We're going to add some pepper. Going to shower the pepper. Add quite a lot of olive oil. It's going to help bind all the flavors. I'm going to add in some lemon juice. Just 1 lemon will do. What I love to add as well is some cayenne pepper. This gives it a little bit of a heat. Add in a little bit of salt. And if you'd like to add a magic ingredient, then I would recommend to add in a dash of fish sauce. This is, something that's always good. Just a bit. It's very salty. But it gives it that extra je ne sais quoi, if you know what I mean. So now that we've prepared our octopus marinade, we're going to cut the octopus into small bite-sized pieces. Like so. And then we're going to add this beautiful octopus into this mix that we've made. Give it a beautiful stir. So ladies and gents, here it is. Boiled octopus ensalada salad. This goes out to my dear friend Johanna. It's one of her favorite meals. So there you go, my dear. Very, very tasty. Very enjoyable. Great for the summer, great for the winter, great anytime. See you later, guys.